Ever wondered about the maths behind cricket statistics? Let's break down some key terms. What is batting average? Batting average in cricket represents the number of runs a player scores per innings. It's calculated by dividing the total runs scored by a player by the number of times the player has been dismissed. This number shows how a player has performed over a series, a time period, or throughout their career. Now, what is bowling average? Bowling average in cricket is calculated by dividing the total number of runs conceded by the total number of wickets taken. It indicates how many runs on an average a bowler gives up per wicket they take. How to calculate a batter's strike rate? To find a batter's strike rate, divide the total number of runs scored by the number of deliveries faced, then multiply by 100. This gives the rate at which the batter scores runs per 100 balls faced. What is the bowling strike rate? Bowling strike rate is the average number of balls bowled to take a wicket. A lower strike rate means the bowler takes wickets more frequently. Now that you know the basics, let's apply this knowledge to real-world cricket statistics.
For more such interesting content, follow us on our digital handles.